First of all, I'm gonna open my Instagram profile. And now basically there are two thread spaces on your profile. The first one is at the top side, this one. There's no any option to remove this thread space. And the second thread space is this one. There are mainly two ways to remove this. And the right one is my AI girlfriend. And in the next video, I'll be covering the whole process to create your AI girlfriend or boyfriend. You can text them to you and they will reply you like a human. Anyway, that will be a separate video. Coming back to the main topic, to remove this thread space from your Instagram profile, just click on edit profile. Now scroll down a little bit. Now see here, so thread space is turned on my profile. First of all, you have to turn off this option like this. Now go back. And now see the thread space is removed from here. And in the second method, you can remove your thread space from your Instagram profile from your threads profile too. So just close it. Now open your threads profile. Now at the bottom right corner, click on your threads profile icon. Now click on edit profile. By default, this option may be turned on your threads profile, so just turn it off. So these were the two methods to remove your thread space from your Instagram profile. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more this kind of helpful video, then do subscribe to the channel right now. See you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.